Welcome to our vlog. Ngayon, nandito kami sa pinaka-underrated na lugar sa Ilocos Norte. This is Nueva Era.
Nueva Era is a third-class municipality in Ilocos Norte, known as the Little Baguio. Established in 1916, this agricultural town is rich in Tingyan culture, featuring eco-tourism spot.
From Lawag City, around 46 kilometers lang siya. Habang papunta ka pa lang dito, mapapansin mo na agad ang daming bundok, ang lamig ng hangin, sobrang presko.
Of course, nandito kami sa Nueva Era Eco-Cultural Park nila.
The Nueva Era Eco-Cultural Park in Nueva Era, Ilocos Norte was built by the local government as a community landmark that highlights the town heritage, unity, and pride.
Short history muna tayo. Nueva Era officially became a town on July 1, 1916. During the American period pa, pinagsama-sama ang mga small mountain settlement para maging isang municipality. And the name, Nueva Era, literally means new era, bagong simula para sa mga tao dito. Imagine that, 100 years na ang town na ito.
But everyone, this is really the highlight. OMG, the culture. The original settler of Nueva Era were the Tingyan, also known as the Itne people. Until now, their culture is still alive in the community. One of the most well-known traditions here is Datadek. Datadek is tradition dance performed during weddings, celebration, and important events. May tugtog na gongs at drums, tapos sabay-sabay silang sumasayaw. You can really feel the unity. Hindi lang siya performance, it's their identity, it's their story.
Fun fact, malaking part ng Nueva Era ay forest land, kaya talagang nature trip ito. If you're into hiking, fresh air, and chill vibe, perfect talaga dito. Hindi siya commercialist, hindi siya crowded, talagang provincial experience.
So if you are planning to your next Ilocos trip, don't just go to the usual spot.
This is not a destination, it's an experience.
Add Nueva Era in your list.